Assalamualaikum and hi. This is Farhan from Animations Geek. Today I will show you detailed use of frame animation in Photoshop. Plus I will show you the export into GIF format from Save as Web. So here we go. I will not going to show you how I created layers, but I will tell you how I did. Because it took me 5 hours to create so many layers for animation. I used running reference from web and created myself from a pen tool and shapes. I created head from ellipse shape and body, arms, legs from a pen tool. That's head, body, arms, legs. I edit its movement by selecting the shape from the layer and then select the node and move it from the pen tool. Now it's time to use timeline. Adding a guy who is running for actually no reason. Suddenly, he feels something dangerous and stops. Another guy appeared. He tried to hit, but first guy blocked and pushed him up. Before he touched the ground, first guy kicked him with an amazing speed. Again, before touching the ground, he reached at him and grabbed him on the floor, and he punched him with the same speed. Amazing and short ending. All the layers are added. Now let's test the flow. Where to add pauses and where not to. That's all on you to make it look better. I added pauses on certain frames because it required those pauses, like I am adding on frames. Now let's test it again. My system is little laggy, so it is not giving the best performance. I will test it after I export it into GIF format. The shortkeys for save as web is Ctrl Alt Shift plus S. Now it is saving. Let us test on our Chrome. So that's how you animate from a frame animation in Photoshop. Bye, take care, and Allah.